Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency in 2025, you might need to move your Polkadot tokens from an exchange like Exmo to a secure wallet like Metamask. Today, I'll walk you through this step by step, so you can do it safely and efficiently. Let's get started. First off, why bother transferring? Keeping your crypto on an exchange isn't ideal for long-term storage because you don't fully control your assets. Metamask offers more security and flexibility, especially as blockchain tech evolves. Before we jump in, make sure you have an Exmo account with some tokens, the Metamask extension installed in your browser, and that you're comfortable with basic crypto concepts. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account. Head over to the Wallets or Balances section to locate your holdings. Double-check that you have enough tokens after any potential fees. Step 2. Navigate to the withdrawal page for Look for a Withdraw or Send button. It's usually straightforward on Exmo. Step 3. Now, open your Metamask wallet. If Polkadot isn't natively supported, you might need to add a custom RPC network for it. Search for the latest Polkadot network details online to ensure compatibility in 2025. Once set up, copy your Metamask wallet address. Remember, this address is case-sensitive, so get it right. Step 4. Back on Exmo, paste your Metamask address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of you want to transfer, review the transaction fees, which can vary based on network conditions, and hit confirm. You'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for added security. Step 5. Sit tight. The transfer could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on blockchain congestion. Keep an eye on your email or Exmo notifications for confirmation. Once it's complete, refresh your Metamask wallet, and your tokens should appear. Pro tip. Always test with a small amount first to avoid any mishaps, and never share your private keys. There you have it. That's how to transfer Polkadot from Exmo to Metamask in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.